Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to be installing a winch on my Polaris. Behind me is a Polaris Ranger that I just recently picked up, and I'm going to be doing some modification to it. As more videos come out, I'm going to be adding more stuff on it, and I kind of just want to show you guys, you know, the build process and what I'm trying to achieve out of it. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so what I have here is a KFI mount winch, and it comes with, of course, your mounting plates, some screws, instructions, and also got this winch switch. You guys can see that we got a winch on there, and this is from XTC Power Product. So this is gonna be my switch, and then I'm gonna pair it up with the Badland 3500 ZXR. Alright, so the first thing we got to do is we're gonna remove the front grille here. So we take off the front bumpers. So the front grille with the star screws here, and then there's two bolts on the driver's side and passenger side. And so once we take that off, the front bumper should come off, and then we can start mounting the mount plate onto the front bumper. So this is the passenger side. That's the two screws right there. There's also 3 screws right here that you gotta take off. And once you do that, the front bumper should come out, and then we can start installing the winch mount bracket. All right. Alright guys, so I just took off the front bumper, and then I'm about to install the winch mount onto this. I'm gonna set it here. So right here I have the winch mount. So basically this is how it goes. You come right here, you see these holes on the side here, and then basically just line this up with the holes on both sides. So you can put 2 screws on both sides, and then I got the winch here. So basically the winch is just gonna sit on here and just line up whatever holes that can fit the winch, and then we can start installing this and get it set up onto the bumper. All right. Alright, so I just got done installing the mount plate onto the back bumper and the winch. So again, there's 2 bolts on this side and that side, and then underneath there's 2 bolts to hold a winch on this side, and also 2 on this side. And then there's the plate here, this other plate which bolts up to here. Some bolt here and here, and then this is going to be the plate that where the winch string will come out from through the middle. So next we're gonna install it back onto the front of the Ranger, and I would suggest, like, if you guys got a helping hand, get someone to help you, because we need somebody to hold it on each side while you bolt it up. So alright, so let's get to it. All right, so you guys can see the front bumper just got installed. That's the winch right there, and you can see it's not hitting the radiator. Some people got issue with it hitting the radiator, but this one looks like it should be good to go. Come back on this side, just double check. This one's it's close to the radiator, but we still got some clearance there. So the next thing we're gonna do is wire up the winch, and then we can start testing it. So let's go ahead and do that. So we have finished installing the winch. So we did all our wiring in here, circuit breaker, and these are the two cables that run to the winch right here. And then I ran the power from the back to the front of the ATV. So basically, here's the battery right here. Here's the two cables right here that run from the battery. I ran it underneath the floor. And if you come here, if you take off this plate right here, I just took it off, and then I ran the two power cable, power and ground, along with the harness up to the front. And if you take that plate off, you'll see what I'm talking about. It's all open on the bottom. So I just kind of followed the harness that ran up to the front, and of course came out right here. So that's the winch right there. So with this winch, it came with two control, one for the dash inside the cabin, and then the other one was a handheld. So let's see if I can show you guys real fast. So this is the handheld one right here, and then this one right here is the cabin switch. Got your in and out here. So basically I didn't like this cabin switch here, so I bought another switch, which I mounted up right here, perfectly, that go inside the Polaris dash perfectly. So basically you got your in and out, and I just mount it right here onto the dash, so that controls the cabin. And then for the secondary handheld one, I placed the plug right here. So basically just pop this off, grab this guy, plug it in here, and then you'll have the handheld one. All you gotta do is pop the hood. So this, you will only use this if, I guess, the cabin switch, I guess, go bad, or if you just want to get out and, you know, walk along with the winch. So I place my switch inside the hood here, right there. And then of course, I think majority of the time I'll be using the cabin switch. Take this off, plug this up. So that's the install on my Polaris Ranger on the winch. Let's close this back up. You guys can see. pretty simple install. I think the hardest part was just running the cables from the back to the front, and then some of the wiring, but it wasn't that hard. It just take a little, it was just time consuming, but that's the install on my Polaris Ranger. So if you guys like this video, make sure you guys give it a like and a thumbs up, and stay tuned, and look forward to doing more builds with this. So make sure you guys like what you guys see. You guys subscribe, and see what I'm gonna do next to this Polaris. All right, so thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.